Even with the image stabilization technology and in-body advancements on cameras today, using the right tripod for your camera can still make a big difference in getting the shot you are trying to achieve. But it's not as simple as just choosing any tripod. There are many on the market for different photography niches, budgets, and features. In this video, we want to help you choose the right one. Let's take a look at some of the factors you should consider when buying a tripod. The first one is the weight rating, also known as the maximum load capacity. It's crucial as it determines how much weight the tripod can support. When picking your tripod, you should think about the heaviest camera setup that you plan to use, including accessories. Another thing to consider is the height of the tripod. Depending on your shooting style and comfort level, you'll need one that can be adjusted to the height you need. The weight and build can also affect its portability and durability. This is especially important when you need to travel. The tripod legs can be made of various materials and have different locking mechanisms, and depending on where you plan to use the tripod, you may need specific types of feet. Some other things worth mentioning are the center post, quick release system, and stability. The center post is the part of the tripod that allows you to adjust the height quickly, while the tripod head is where you mount your camera. These come in different types for different shooting needs. A quick release system allows you to easily attach and detach your camera from the tripod. Lastly, a good tripod should be stable enough to hold your camera steady under the conditions you plan to use it. Remember, the best tripod for you depends on your specific needs and shooting style, so it's important to think about the above-mentioned factors before buying. Let's take a look at our list of the best tripods, starting with the three-legged thing, Charles 2.0. We think this is one of the best overall full-size tripods. The three-legged thing Charles 2.0 is known for its performance and great build quality. It's constructed from aerospace-grade magnesium alloy, which is lighter than steel and aluminum and has more damping capacity than any other structural metal. This makes it a great choice for both stability and a lightweight build, weighing just 2.4 kilograms. It features swing-up legs similar to a travel tripod, so the feet encircle the head when it's folded down, reducing the size. It's also equipped with large, knurled knobs that facilitate ease of use in all weather conditions. The Charles 2.0 can support up to 40 kilograms, a lot better than most competitors in the market. However, there are a few cons to consider. Although it's not the heaviest, it's still naturally heavier than carbon fiber. It doesn't have a D-ring on the quick release plate, and it lacks comfort padding on the legs. Despite these drawbacks, the Charles 2.0 is a solid option for serious landscape photographers at a competitive price. For more information on pricing, see our link in the description. Next on our list is the Peak Design Travel Tripod. We think this is a fantastic choice for its portability and sturdy design. The Peak Design Travel Tripod is great for photographers who frequently travel or hike and need a compact, lightweight, and sturdy tripod. It weighs only 1.56 kilograms, and its unique design allows it to fold down to the diameter of a water bottle, making it extremely portable. It's also quick to set up and take down, which is ideal for capturing shots on the go. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on stability. It can support up to 20 pounds, making it capable of holding heavy camera plus lens setups. That's not as much weight as the Charles 2.0, but it's still pretty good for a smaller, more portable tripod. It's worth noting that it's not the tallest tripod available at 153 centimeters and requires some hex key fiddling. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a solid option for serious photographers who value portability and quick setup. Third on our list is the Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro Aluminum. This is an awesome multifunctional tripod that is versatile and comes in two versions, one with carbon fiber legs and the other with aluminum legs. The aluminum version costs less, at around $250. The tripod is impressively stable for its size, even at full height. It has a few extra features that could come in handy whether you're shooting with a camera or a phone. However, it does not have a short center column. Some of its functions may seem a bit irrelevant, and the quick release plate pan control can be seen as limited. The included ball head is RK-Swiss compatible, and the tripod can be converted into a monopod of 158 cm in height by unscrewing and attaching one of the legs to the center column. Overall, the Benro MeFoto RoadTrip Pro is a good tripod with a range of abilities. Even with the center column fully extended, it's remarkably stable for its weight and build. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it can hold a weight capacity of around 17.6 pounds. However, you may need to take care in windy conditions. With that being said, it can be capable of supporting a full-frame camera and standard zoom lens. Most flexible mini tripod. The Joby GorillaPod SLR-Zoom is a flexible mini tripod designed to support cameras weighing up to 6.5 pounds. The GorillaPod has legs featuring rubberized ball joints that can bend and rotate 360 degrees and help it grip to surfaces. This makes it easy to place the GorillaPod with a camera on it on very unusual and uneven surfaces. The legs can be stiff to move, but this provides a firm placement once you've positioned them. This tripod also has a bubble level, which allows you to see whether your camera is leveled or not. It supports up to 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms, which is good for most cameras and pretty impressive for its size. The tripod itself only weighs around 240 grams. The GorillaPod range offers incredible stability and durability, with options for heavier equipment as well as those that are pocket-sized, lightweight, and affordable. The flexible wraparound legs let you mount in the most obscure places, and the high-quality build and materials make this tripod a great contender for smaller cameras. For up-to-date pricing, check out our links below. Best budget tripod for mirrorless cameras. The Vanguard Veo 3 plus 263 AB is a traditional size tripod with a far from traditional design. It's larger than a travel tripod, but lighter to carry around than a larger, old-fashioned studio tripod. The design and build are top quality. The angled column and all the controls and adjustments are smooth and precise. It weighs around 2.45 kilograms, so it's not the lightest on the list, but it can extend to 172.5 centimeters in height with the center column extended and 147 centimeters with the center column down. It's said that it has a maximum load capacity of up to 15 kilograms with an easy, clean twist lock. However, the Vanguard Veo 3 has a folded length of 76 centimeters, which can make it hard to take it around. Despite that, it's reported to have a lighter feel for an alluminium tripod. And if you want to shave off a little weight, there is a carbon fiber version that's not too much more. Overall, the Vanguard Veo 3 plus 263 AB is a fantastic all-rounder with some great touches that will appeal to both photographers and videographers. It provides a firm, steady base for serious landscape, wildlife, studio, and enthusiast photographers and has features that make it great for videographers as well. The last tripod on our list is the Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AB. It's a full-size tripod that offers excellent versatility and top-of-the-range durability. It's an excellent choice for studio photographers due to its extra sturdy build, plenty of angle options, and subtle components that make it easier to set up and break down. However, it's not considered travel-friendly due to its size and weight. It weighs around 2.44 kilograms and collapses to 1.5 centimeters in height. The main legs are 22 inches long when folded up, and about 0.5 inches thick at their widest despite its larger size. This tripod scores well on stability mainly because of its weight. Its legs splay out from the center column, and the center column itself can be swiveled to 180 degrees, which means it can be used very low to the ground as well, making it great for very long exposures of star trails. In conclusion, the Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AB is a great quality, sturdy, and flexible option for photographers who don't need to carry their kit too far. There you have it, our list of awesome tripods to suit the different range of camera setups. Remember to consider the features of the tripod mentioned at the beginning when choosing the right one for your style of photography. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one.